How do you turn up the sound of the iPhone? Let me cover it from all of the different angles and let's get started. If you're new here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Well, if you are in a thing or thinking about the audio levels and the sound of your music and videos and everything, just go to the control center and control it through the volume slider there so you can make it go up and down as much as you want. If you, however, mean something else and you are thinking about the alerts and ringtone volume, this can be found in your settings app by going to the sounds and haptics section, and there's a different volume controller. This is independent from the one which I've shown you before, and this is only for notifications, alarms, alerts, and ringtone. So this is a separate thing. However, if you mean even something completely different, that you, for example, feel that you can control your iPhone and all of the things, but you feel like your phone is a bit too quiet and you don't get the most out of the speakers, then it's a good idea to stay within the sounds and haptics menu, and below we have a volume limit for the built-in speaker, and it is possible that you have a setup volume limit and that would limit your volume and it would make it go to like 90% or 60%, right? And it actually has the potential to be louder, but you are limiting it through the software. Same thing for reducing loud sounds and headphones, right? It might also be limiting the like loudness or volume of your music. So that is another place to look at. Keep in mind, however, that it's also possible that your physical speakers are like blocked by a cover or case, or there might be some kind of like dirt or debris blocking the sound. So many different things that could be going on, but as long as you go through the, setup process, you will be able to get the most out of your iPhone. So let me know if something helped you. If you liked the video and found it useful, hit the thumbs up, but most definitely stay tuned for more so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you later.